How to delete a Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and log into your Facebook page. As you can see, I've already turned into my Facebook page. So simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on the settings application or the gear icon over here that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and under the option of your information, you can see the option of access and control. So tap on access and control, and here you'll have three options: to deactivate the page, which is temporary; to unpublish the page, which is temporary as well. Next is we have delete the page, which is permanent. Now since we want to delete a Facebook page, we can just tap on delete page, then tap on continue, and you can just give the reason, and I'm gonna skip it and continue. So tap on continue again, and here you just have to enter your password and you'll be able to delete a Facebook page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.